Welcome back, everybody. Next episode of You Have the Floor, presented by ARDEX. I'm Tommy Smith, your host, joined today by Brendan and Debbie. Going to hit on a topic today that you might not know a little too much about when it comes to ARDEX, and that's our academy trainings. I got two people here who have a lot of experience regarding these trainings. Debbie, let's start with you. If you're signing up for, one of these ARDEX Academy trainings, what trainings can be on offer for somebody interested?
So we offer seminars covering most of our most popular products. We have tile and stone seminars, and that includes gauge porcelain and exterior installation, subfloor preparation, moisture control, surfaces, and Henry adhesive.
Perfect. And if you're going to sign up, how would one do that? I know there's a lot of different ways that you can, get your name on the card to get in here, but how would you, what is the best way that you would say to get people to sign up?
So I'd say the easiest way is to go into our app. You just click on the button for the ARDEX Academy. It'll show you all of our listing. Or you can go to our webpage, click on Services, ARDEX Academy, and there you'll see that they're broken out by location. We have 4 academies in the United States, 1 in Canada, and you will also be able to find listings there for any offsite classes that we have coming up. You find a class that you want to take, you just click on the link to the right, and you can register from there.
Perfect. So there's not really an excuse for somebody not to sign up. I guess you could say, in the sense of there's a lot of different places that you can go to experience one of these trainings.
Yes.
And so, Brendan, I'll turn it to you. When you do sign up, what can somebody who is going to be here expect? What is kind of the breakdown of everything that goes on here?
So when you come in here, you'll first be greeted by Miss Debbie. She'll show you around the shop and show you around everything and how that works. And then we'll do a little bit of classroom and then a little bit of hands-on. So we'll do about 50% in the classroom and then 50% out in the shop. So you will get some hands-on demos, get a feel for the material until you feel comfortable with it. And you'll walk away with those skills.
Speaking of skills, Brendan, I'll go back to you. What are some of the skills that you can that you can use or learn from here? I know, like Debbie said, there's a lot of different trainings for a lot of our different products, but generalize it for me. What kind of skills can you learn, with the hands-on training?
So some of the things, like, it depends on the product category you're here for. If you're here for like self-leveling, you'll learn how to mix it, pour it, spread it out and smooth it. If you're here for adhesives, you'll learn the different techniques with open time and working times. Tile and stone, we'll obviously teach you directional troweling, and teach you how those work and different notches, trowel sizes for different tile sizes. And I'm trying to think, exterior concrete repair systems, you'll learn how to address those situations as well. And then in the classroom, we'll just talk about all the features of all of our products and so on and so forth. A lot of useful information that you could then take into your own projects at home or on the job site. Yeah, one of the biggest things is coming in and going through the classroom training. And then when you get into the shop and we start doing the hands-on demos, it gives you the ability to kind of get a feel for the material in a comfortable environment before you go out and have to do it for one of your customers.
Perfect. Debbie, I'll turn this last question to you. You kind of the brains behind all the training academies, all the trainings here at the Academy. What would you tell somebody who is on the fence about signing up? Maybe, one of the 4 spots here in the U.S. is a little too far. Here we're in Aliquippa, Pennsylvania. Maybe it's just something that logistically they don't think they can do. What would you tell them?
I would say you need to find the time to come in. I'd also like to note that we welcome everybody. A lot of people, of course, are installers, but we also have homeowners and DIYers that just want to learn how to do. They want to remodel their bathroom and they want to get a little bit of a education before they do that. So everybody is welcome. We also take care of your hotel rooms whenever you're out in academy training. So we feed you and we give you your hotel room. So the only thing you have to do is get there.
What can you not like about that? I mean, free food, free stay. I mean, all you got to do is show up. So it's perfect. Thank you, Debbie. Thank you, Brendan. I appreciate you guys kind of coming on here to talk about the Academy trainings. Thank you for watching the latest episode of You Have the Floor presented by ARDEX. Make sure to stick to our YouTube channel and follow all of our socials for the latest information on when the next episode releases. Thanks again, guys. Hope you have a good one.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.